Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on gestures, so the second option, and find the system navigation on the third position. So here we've got 2 different options, obviously the 3 button navigation. Before we set the gestures, you can enter the settings here and customize the 3 buttons navigation. So the navigation bar, you can turn it on right here, and you can select the navigation buttons. So you can either add the icon to open notification panel or reorder the back button and the recents, totally up to you. But if you still want to change to the gestures, simply tap on this option at the top, so gesture navigation. You can see that instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for specific gestures. We can enter the settings. However, here we've got only the back sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger and we just got back. And the same situation from the right side, it works the same. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open recents, the recents, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center again, but this time elongate this gesture like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.